a digital revolution, going beyond cryptocurrencies. Blockchain is like a technological hurricane, turning the world upside down. Many people still think blockchain is just about Bitcoin, but this technology goes much further. Imagine a system where everything is recorded securely, transparently, and can't be messed with. It's like a digital notary office that's completely tamper-proof. That's what we're talking about. This innovation is changing how we connect, do business, and even how we manage our own data. From the financial world to healthcare to logistics, blockchain is opening up a world of possibilities and challenging traditional models. Get ready to uncover the mysteries of blockchain and understand how it's shaping the future. Unlocking blockchain, an innovative ledger. In the digital world, protecting information is like protecting a precious treasure. That's where blockchain comes in. Imagine a digital ledger spread across many computers that records all transactions permanently and tamper-proof. This magical ledger is blockchain. Each transaction or block of information is checked and added to the ledger by a network of computers. And the best part? Once added, a block cannot be changed or deleted, ensuring the complete integrity of the data. This unique feature makes blockchain the perfect solution for many different areas. Decentralization, the driving force of blockchain. The secret to blockchain's success is its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional systems that rely on a central authority, like a bank or the government, blockchain works like a big republic, maintained by a network of computers called nodes. This decentralization has its advantages. First, it eliminates the danger of having a single point of failure, making the system more resilient to attacks and outages. Second, it increases transparency, as all transactions are visible to everyone on the network like an open book. And last but not least, it promotes trust, as no one has absolute power over the system. Building trust, the role of consensus. In a system where power is shared like in blockchain, trust is the foundation of everything. But how do we make sure that all transactions are legitimate and that no one is trying to cheat the system? The answer lies in the consensus mechanism. Imagine an agreement between several people where everyone needs to agree for something to be approved. The consensus mechanism works the same way. It's a process where the nodes on the network agree on the current state of the blockchain, making sure everything is in order. There are different types of consensus mechanisms, but the goal is always the same: to ensure that all transactions are verified and added to the blockchain securely and reliably. Smart contracts, automating agreements with blockchain. One of the most promising applications of blockchain is smart contracts. Imagine a contract that fulfills itself without the need for intermediaries, like magic. That's exactly what blockchain allows. Smart contracts are like computer programs which are stored on the blockchain. They allow parties involved in an agreement to define the rules of the game, which are automatically executed when the conditions are met. This automation eliminates intermediaries, speeds up processes, and reduces costs. It's like having a digital notary working 24/7. From farm to table, food traceability with blockchain. Food safety is a major concern for everyone these days. With blockchain, we can track the journey of food from the farm to our plates, ensuring the origin and quality of what we eat. It's like having an ID card for each food item. By recording every step of the production chain on the blockchain, from planting to delivery to markets, we create a transparent and fraud-proof history. This traceability increases consumer confidence, reduces the chances of counterfeiting, and ensures food safety. Shielding data, unwavering security with blockchain. In times of fake news and data breaches, protecting our information is more important than ever. And this is where blockchain comes in as a true digital superhero. Its decentralized and encrypted nature makes it a fortress for storing and sharing confidential data. Unlike centralized systems, which are vulnerable to attacks and breaches, blockchain spreads data across the entire network like an unsolvable puzzle. This makes life much harder for hackers, making it nearly impossible to steal or tamper with information. Additionally, encryption ensures that only authorized individuals can view or modify the data. It's like having a super protected digital safe. Blockchain challenges, energy consumption and scalability. Despite all the advantages, blockchain also faces some hurdles. One of them is energy consumption. Some consensus mechanisms, like proof of work, require enormous computing power, which consumes a lot of energy. It's like having a powerful car. It requires more fuel. Another challenge is scalability. As blockchain becomes more popular, the number of transactions increases, and the system needs to keep up without slowing down. However, increasing scalability without compromising the security and decentralization of blockchain is a significant challenge. It's like organizing a huge carnival. You need to have space for everyone, but without compromising security and organization. The future of blockchain, a world of possibilities. Despite the challenges, the future of blockchain is bright. As technology evolves and solutions to current challenges are found, blockchain has the potential to revolutionize various sectors and aspects of our lives. From digital identification to electronic voting to the Internet of Things, the applications of blockchain are endless. It's like discovering a new continent full of opportunities. As more people and organizations recognize the power of this technology, we can expect a more transparent, secure, and efficient future. Exploring blockchain applications, a detailed dive. The applications of blockchain go far beyond cryptocurrencies. In the financial world, blockchain can speed up international transfers, reduce costs, and increase security. It's like having a global and instant bank. In the supply chain, blockchain tracks products, combats counterfeiting, and improves efficiency. It's like having a 24/7 supervisor ensuring product quality. In healthcare, blockchain protects electronic medical records, facilitates data sharing between doctors and hospitals, and empowers patients. It's like having a single, inviolable digital medical record. In governance, blockchain can increase electoral transparency, fight corruption, and improve public services. It's like having a more transparent and efficient government. Conclusion: the transformative impact of blockchain. Blockchain is an innovative technology with the potential to revolutionize how we interact, do business, and manage data. Its decentralized, secure, and transparent nature provides a solid foundation for building a more trustworthy, efficient, and fair future. As blockchain evolves, we can expect an even greater impact on our lives, driving innovation, creating new opportunities, and shaping a more connected and transparent world. It's like boarding a spaceship towards a future full of possibilities.